Hello guys! Good evening sa inyo lahat mga ka-vlog. Good evening. Welcome back to my channel, my Denden TV vlogger. And the subscribers, meron pong tiwala sa Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day mga ka-vlog. Shoutout po ito mga ka-vlog, WG Cooks, and then like or comment section. Hello guys, mga happy birthday. Di ko alam, isa birthdays our is my birthdays guys. Ano po, for today's video, evening nights. Good night sa inyo, mga happy Valentine's Day for the days. So may comment section kayo guys. Meron pong vlog. Mag-comment ka, subscribe ka muna guys. Para hindi mag-Valentine's Day. Study first. May out of luck. And then, for the day, vlog, mag-comment na kung uploaded. This is of 24, February 13. Ayun. Vlogger, and then, likers, let's describe. So guys, for today's video, and like and dislike, and share, and comment, and dislike, and subscribe. So I love you all. Shout out sa iyo sa WG Cooks, friend me. And friend me, my kuya ko. Tama yan. Yung bisa tayo guys. Shout out po kay WG Cooks, Wens Rivera Angeles. Yan, mga kaibigan vlog, happy Valentine's Day. So goodbye mga vlog. I love you all.